Hello guys, so today ay gagawa ako ng siomai.
Okay, hi guys. Today Mama is cutting the shrimp and then peeling off the skin. And then
from this, it will turn into this.
Yeah. And then
Onion leaves.
onion leaves.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, they're mixing them.
Yeah, kailangan niya ng garlic, tita.
What is doing?
Chopping garlic.
Garlic?
Yeah.
And that is it. There.
Show it the entire bowl. There.
That's the tyrant bowl, and Mama gonna do something. Mama gonna put that one, and this, and she's gonna just pour it down.
Yeah,
And
one.
Okay,
tablespoon.
one spoon and one pepper. So yummy. And then liquid seasoning. What is that?
Siomai.
Yeah, siomai. We're cooking siomai.
Tell them I'm gonna put salt.
Mama's gonna put salt on it.
How to be a cook when you're big.
She's gonna put that one.
Sesame oil.
Sesame oil. I know that's from Chinese. And then it smells really good. Smell it. Did you smell it? Okay. So you're gonna use this one. And then, can I smell it?
No.
It is gonna smell. Okay.
Smell oyster.
Mama gonna pour it there. It looks like honey, but I know it's not honey.
One.
It's always got.
Taking forever to go to come
Just
out.
tap it. Just shake it on there. Shake it, shake it.
Yeah.
Okay, and then that should be enough.
Enough.
Okay, I love it. And here's it. Okay,
Show them.
Mama's mixing up, and then what you gonna do with it?
So I'm gonna add cornstarch. Here,
And then
cornstarch. So yan na guys, nahalo ko na. Gumamit pala ako ng gloves. There. So ipapakita ko sa inyo guys kung paano mag-wrap ng siomai. So paano pa? Yan, i-spread mo siya sa wonton wrapper. And then parang iipitin mo yung dulo para hindi siya matigas pag niluto. Yan. Then,
As soon as he tried to bite it, this made the cat very angry, and he tried prying it out with his paw. He kept trying again and again, and the toy started taunting him, which made him very sad. The cat gave up and cried himself to sleep, and the only way to cheer him up is to subscribe. When this cat tried to eat the candy from this toy, it retracted as soon as he tried to bite it. This made the cat very angry, and he
like
tried
that.
prying it out with his
Etong mga ito, si Neneng gumawa niyan.
The toy started taunting him, which made him very sad.
So, ito yung nagawa. Trial muna. Okay. So, yan guys. 30 minutes natin siyang i-steam. There. Look guys. Malapit na maluto. Guys, luto na. Oh, look at that. Yan na guys, sinasalok na. Palagyan ng garlic. Garlic toast yan. And toyo. Hindi ano. Then kalamansi. Ayun na kay Nene. Ari. Tiga mo.
I want to do it.
Isa-isa naman.
Everywhere, everywhere. Do not make it.
Nilagyan din pala namin ng
Mama,
chili
look.
oil. Ayan.
Look.
Ayan, titikman na ho ni tita. Bagang may nito pa yan.
Mainiton pa to, mapasok kita.
Smell. Check. Taste.
Mama, I want to taste a lemon.
Sarap daw.
Mama, is a lemon more
Ayan guys,
powerful?
masarap daw ang aming
Mama,
siomai.
is a lemon more powerful? Is lemon powerful? So
Sarap
sour.
daw.
Sakto lang yung ano.
Malasa. Bugang
Pretty.
Ayan guys, yan na lang ang natira.
See?
So, thumbs up na naman tayo.
But